how-to tutorial of coming into side plank Vasisthasana variations. I'd like you to see the relationship between poses before coming into your side plank variation. So with your right foot to the inside of your left leg, folding forward at the hip crease, drawing your arms forward and bringing either your fingers towards each other to touch or taking your right hand to your left wrist. Inhale, draw yourself up, and on your exhale, bring yourself onto your back. Place again your right foot to the inside of your left leg, hands together at your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Now in your standing position, this is tree, bringing your foot to the inside of your leg, hands together at your heart. Now an alternate variation, half lotus, bringing your right foot to the inner crease of your left leg, folding at the hip crease, leading from the heart and drawing your arms forward, bringing your forehead towards your shin or your nose towards your knee. Now come onto your back, coming into half lotus, bringing your right foot to the inner crease of your left leg. Draw your knee towards the short edge of your mat. Bring your hands together at your heart center. Now in your standing position. Keep drawing your knee towards your mat, lifting up through the crown of your head. Now from here, coming into plank and your side plank. Place your right hand to the center of your mat, come over onto the edge of your right foot and extend your left arm up. Place now your left foot up your leg, either coming into tree or bringing your foot into the inner crease of your right leg and extending your arm up into a half lotus. Namaste.